Hi boss, welcome back to Crypto Trader. We are currently in 4-ish time frame and trying to find out any possible trading opportunities in Euro CAD currency pair. Well, forget about the price action here in this area. Whatever did the price, forget it and just focus on the current price action at the moment. And you can see that price is making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows and then made this most recent higher high and recently entered into this pullback phase. As you know, whenever the price enter into any pullback phase, the most in an uptrend, the most recent swing high and the most recent swing low becomes the major areas of values to focus on, and they generally provide good support to the price. And we normally see that the price gets rejections any of in these two areas from the bottom and bounce back up and continue in the upward direction. So our current bias is long. As you can see, the price is in an uptrend, so we have to find only buy entries today. So in this situation, we have two possible entry points at the moment. First entry point is this recent swing high and the second entry point is this recent swing low. So first option is that let the price enter into this resistance zone and retest it as a possible support zone. If you get any rejection from the bottom here in this zone or any other buy reason in this zone, then you can open your long position here with the stop loss anywhere below this zone. And in this case, this most recent swing high shall not be a resistance zone for the price. If you find any buy reason here, then your take profit area shall be this upcoming resistance zone, which is around 1.4528. And if you do not find any buy reason here at this support level, then you shall find your buy reason here at this support level. And to me, one of the good buy reasons are is a double bottom. I personally prefer a double bottom at the structure levels. So if you get any double bottom here at this level or here at this level, then you should open your long position because our current bias is long. So we should prefer only long trades because in this situation our stop loss shall be very low and our potential take profit area is a good one. This is all for Euro CAD analysis today. Well, you can do your own research and do not consider it a financial advice. Good luck, happy trading.